Brock University and McMaster University have expanded their partnership when the two schools signed a renewed collaboration agreement this week in St. Catharines. What is the importance of the ongoing partnership between Brock and McMaster?
Well, it really facilitates a number of educational and research and other opportunities that we couldn't do without the partnership. Many of our students are being trained at facilities they have here. We have a number of student initiatives and faculty-led research programs that are contributing to the health of Niagara and of the education of students of both universities.
I think today's signing really represents the formalization of what has been going on already and what will continue, which is a cooperation, a collaboration, and a real desire from both institutions to build on each other's strengths and to share the resources that we have. I think what this will result in practically is increased opportunity to train people in healthcare, increased opportunity for research that will directly impact patients, and hopefully the continuation of an environment in Niagara that's really an exciting place to work and to learn in healthcare, which is going to mean we attract the best possible professionals and we keep them here because they're excited to work here.
Since this is a renewal, what's different from the agreement and what changes have been implemented?
Well, I think since the original agreement, which essentially established the partnership, we have grown a number of different partnership and collaborative opportunities, particularly in the research and the education side of things. And we are now, I guess, formalizing those partnerships and creating pathways by which further partnerships and interprofessional education can develop.
Brock Health Sciences student Aaron Wexler and McMaster medical student Ali Beydoun took part in the signing ceremony and spoke with us about the benefits of the continued collaboration.
The signing today allows the Brock students to be able to take the opportunity to use the anatomy lab that's provided by the McMaster School of Medicine, and allows us to get the maximum amount of education out of our first year anatomy class. So in this process, it really enhances our education and gives our students the best experience possible.
How has the use of the anatomy lab strengthened your learning experience?
It allows me to really understand how to pinpoint muscles and understand the proper orientation of where the proper anatomical structures lie within the human body when I'm trying to apply it to my everyday life as well as into the practical world as well.
I think for the students at Brock, it means further collaboration with us at McMaster University, access to the anatomy lab, as well as increased opportunities for having mentorship availabilities with and partnerships with medical students at McMaster University.
How has the partnership between Brock and McMaster strengthened your learning experience?
I think it's strengthened by providing a safe space to study as well as access to a community in which, and the region in which there's such high healthcare needs, where the learning is so much more richer because of that opportunity to study in such an area.
What types of outcomes can the students expect to see from today's signing?
I think students can look forward to continued learning opportunities with access to resources from both universities. So that means access to the anatomy lab and to experiences with medical students and with physicians. And I think ultimately we're going to be training more nurses, more physicians to practice in Niagara, stay in Niagara, and increase the healthcare in Niagara.
Reporting for The Source at Brock University, this is Jordan James.